What up, guys? So happy Sunday Funded. We are going to be talking about the Forex trading currency analysis here for you guys. I will be sending out the signals later on once the market opens. So as prediction was right, was to sell the US dollar index. It did happen, just not right away during non-farm payroll news release. So on the weekly here, we are weekly swing the sell for US dollar, anticipating for the US dollar to come back down as a retracement, going down for this week as a bearish movement here. So looking for another bearish engulfing candle, if not a bearish doji candle closing in on here again here. So this is the weekly candle that closed out on Friday evening. Okay. And things didn't start to wind down for the US dollar until around, I'd say right at around 10 a.m. Eastern time, 11 a.m. around my time. So that is where things were starting to come down for the US dollar index. Now, during the NFP, US dollar did not give up its gains. So it was a big toss up in the market. So that's basically what happens is news trading gets a little bit crazy, right? It goes all over the place. But the anticipation for the sell was there. It's just took a different timing. So we're looking to buy the indices here. We're looking to buy US 30 back to 34,000, and then buying S&P back to 4,400 to 4,500. Buying NAS 100, NASDAQ back 15,200, 15, and up away back to 15,525 up here first, and then the big move break would be 15,700 up here on these two candles closing up here. Looking to buy gold as well back to 1840, 1860, and then the third take probably be 1880. And then selling UJ, looking for UJ to come back down to 149 to break down to 148 to 147. Buying Euro back to 106 to 107. And then selling Euro British Pound back to 86, back to break 86 back down to 85. Buying the pound for 123 to 124. And then we're selling U-Swiss back down to 90 to break 90 and then back down to 89. So I'm going pretty fast. Any question regards into the weekly analysis or the weekly swing signals, message me on Telegram, let me know. So back here, we are going to be selling UCAD. So this is going to be kind of weird. UCAD did go up and then end up going right back down. So there was CAD news release during NFP as well. So selling UCAD back down to 136 and then to break 136 back to 135. And then last two pairs, buying Australia and New Zealand. So buying the Australian dollar back to 64 to 65, and then buying New Zealand dollar back to 60, and then the next take profit would be 61. So the big move right now is to sell the US dollar for the remainder and the startup of this week here for the weekly swing signals. I am gonna go check out. Okay, we got FOMC minutes on Wednesday. That's gonna be pretty interesting. So let's go see what this is. And then a lot of Fed speakers towards the end of the week. Fed speaker starts on Tuesday. Fed FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Thursday is going to be a really high volume day, especially in the morning for core CPI news. And then that's pretty much all I have. So any questions in regards to the weekly swing signals and the weekly analysis, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Other than that, happy Sunday, fun day. All right, guys. Happy Sunday, fun day. We are going to get into the crypto analysis here. All right. So hope everyone is having a good weekend so far. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be selling crypto, looking for Bitcoin to come back down to 27,000 and then to break 26 26,000 on the second end here. And then we'll see how strong the consolidation phase is for all the cryptocurrencies. So I don't expect a whole lot of movement for this week. So it's going to be very tight structure. I don't expect too much news affecting the cryptocurrencies for the markets here. So the plan is to sell all cryptocurrencies. Sell signals have already been sent out already. So any questions to the sell signals, let me know. Looking for Ethereum to come back down and break 1600 and then back to 1500 here. And then Litecoin, selling Litecoin back to 60. And to break 60 on the support price here, back down to 55. Shiba to break down back to 704 right here, right around here, break that. Dogecoin, selling Dogecoin back to 60 and 59. Ripple, looking for Ripple to come back down to 50 to 40. Break the support at 46, and then the next move would be to break down to 45 and 40. Neo, selling Neo, look for Neo to come back down and break this zone structure on $7 back to $6.55 in value. Dash, to sell Dash back to break 26 back to 24. Selling Solana back down to 22 to 20. Zcash, looking for Zcash to break even for back down to 24 and then break 24 back to 22. And then finally for Tezos, I would be looking for this coin to come back down to 65 and then 63. So that is all I have. I know it's just a quick analysis here for cryptocurrency. I don't expect too much volatility or any high volume trading at all for this week, unless there's some major economic news that's going to impact all the exchanges. And then we are coming into the second week of October here. So like I said, we're diving down to the winter season of trading. And so I don't expect too much liquidity at all. So we will see how everything all works out from there. Other than that, any questions, concerns, their analysis, or the sell signals on Telegram, let me know. All right, peace out, guys. Happy Sunday.